Hey folks, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to use VPNs with APM. In order to do that, you can download any of the VPNs that you are interested in. It can be paid, it can be free, it is completely up to you. If you want to ask me which VPN do I use, so let me tell you that I personally use this Proton VPN, which in my opinion is one of the best VPNs out there. It is free, it is fast, it is reliable, it is protected and whatnot. So you can also use the Proton VPN for Monopoly Go airplane mode. So you just have to download and install it in your device, and then you just have to simply continue as guest. Over here you need to press the connect button, and once it is connected to the server, it will show you a key like icon in the top of your notification bar. For some of the users it might be the VPN like icon, so you just have to make sure that it is there. Only then you will be able to understand that you are now connected to the server, and now your server is also protected. Now once you are connected to the fastest server possible, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application, and over here you just have to do some quick rolls before actually turning on the airplane mode. Now once you are done with it, you just have to simply swipe down the notification bar, and here you need to tap on airplane mode. Now as you can see that my airplane mode is working fine, and if I tap on the go button, I am not able to see the internet error or any other error. So this is how you can easily use VPNs with APM. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.